LinkedIn is slowly turning into Tinder. जॉब से लेके कॉफी तक का situation.
Exactly. Somebody is like harassing you or trying to like talk to you more. I think women are like now very strong enough to answer everyone's.
How helpful LinkedIn is to get jobs.
Guys, easy apply से jobs नहीं मिलते हैं.
पर्सनल लाइफ में एक प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर एक डेवलपर के साथ सर्वाइव कर सकता है फॉर लाइफ टाइम.
Product managers के पास काफी चीजें होती है करने के लिए.
So worst tool ever used as a product manager. Can a QA turn into a PM? PM without MBA. Is it possible? Wearing some band and उससे कुछ पेमेंट वगैरह कर रहे हो तो काफी वायरल चले गया वो पोस्ट.
Oh, there is chip inside the ring, there's chip inside the bank. LinkedIn is the platform कि hiring managers भी देखें कि like what kind of work you're doing. I message almost every person in NPCI.
If LinkedIn was a Tinder, किसका प्रोफाइल स्वाइप करते? हाय गाइस, सो वेलकम बैक टू द बल्की बाय शो. तो आज का पॉडकास्ट जो है थोड़ा सा अलग है, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. मोतीलाल नगर रीडेवलपमेंट के ऊपर नहीं है, ना ही कोई पॉलिटिकल पर्सन है जो बैठा हुआ है साथ में. आज का पॉडकास्ट प्योर आईटी रिलेटेड है. जो ऑफिस के अंदर बातें चलती है, लिंक्डइन पे क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, इसके ऊपर पॉडकास्ट है. और ये पॉडकास्ट को इजीली आंसर करने के लिए, और जो डेवलपर्स के मिथ है कि प्रोडक्ट ओनर्स प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स काम नहीं करते, सिर्फ उनका काम है जो रिक्वायरमेंट आती है बस हमें फॉरवर्ड करो और गायब हो जाओ. तो ये जो मिथ है, ये मिथ है या फैक्ट है, ये आज तुबा जो मेरे साथ पॉडकास्ट पे है ये क्लियर करेंगे, बिकॉज शी इज अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर. सो शी कैन जस्टिफाई द स्टेटमेंट जो डेव्स देते हैं कि प्रोडक्ट ओनर्स प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स जो है ये सिर्फ रिक्वायरमेंट फॉरवर्ड करते हैं और गायब हो जाते हैं. सो हाय तुबा, वेलकम टू द बल्की बाय शो.
Hi Muzammil, nice meeting you.
Yeah, very nice meeting you, Tuba. So Tuba, before we start the podcast, let's give a short introduction to our IT audience.
Yes. Hi everyone, this is Tuba Khan. Guys, I would just like to give a small intro about me. I have done my engineering in electronics and telecommunication and I'm 2022 pass out. Post that, I started my career in NPCI as an associate product manager. Over there, I worked for like almost 2 years and currently I'm working in Jupiter Money. And it's going to almost I'm going to complete almost 3 years in product management. So far it was a very nice journey for me. So yeah.
ओके तुबा. सो तुबा, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस है, मतलब लाइक इवन आई वर्क इन एन आईटी एज अ क्यूए, सो देयर आर मेनी क्वेश्चंस व्हिच वी गेट ड्यूरिंग आवर लंच टाइम्स रिलेटेड टू प्रोडक्ट ओनर्स प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स. सो आज वही क्वेश्चंस की एक लिस्ट है पूरी, जो डेवलपर्स के हैं, जो क्यूएस के हैं, कुछ लिंक्डइन रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस है, सिंस यू आर वायरल ऑन लिंक्डइन, लाइक योर मोस्ट ऑफ योर पोस्ट गो वायरल ऑन लिंक्डइन. सो एक एक करके चालू करते हैं. सो सबसे पहले तुबा मेरे को ये बताओ कि प्रोडक्ट ओनर्स प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स इनमें क्या डिफरेंस है, बिकॉज कोई कोई कंपनीज में एक ही टीम में यू फाइंड देम बोथ, एंड उसके बाद में ये पहला डिफरेंस है. और सेकंड क्वेश्चन इसी के रिलेटेड ये है कि प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स जो है, ये कुछ डेव्स का कहना है कि ये बस फीचर लिखता है प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर एंड देन गायब हो जाता है.
Okay, so I would say product manager and product owner. इंडिया में मोस्टली बहुत कम कंपनीज होती हैं जहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स प्रोडक्ट ओनर्स ऐसे दो डिफरेंट डेजिग्नेशंस होते हैं. नॉर्मली इट इज़, अगर कोई बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस के होते हैं वो PM2 होते हैं या सीनियर PM होते हैं, या तो वो ग्रुप प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर या प्रिंसिपल प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स होते हैं. इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट टू बी इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग. बट आई थिंक प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स एंड प्रोडक्ट ओनर्स आर समथिंग वेरी सिमिलर, बिकॉज product owners, I personally feel, is owning a product end to end, and that is what a product manager does. So my work is to build the product end to end, from from designing the product to having basically a end to end the lifestyle of the product, like how the product will work and the GTM planning and everything. So I feel it's more about what will be the feature about, when will we release it, how are we going to do it, because कोई भी product हम ऐसे ही launch नहीं करते हैं. Before launching any product, we have to do a deep market research, data analysis, competitive analysis. There are a lot of things which comes together. So if a dev say कि product managers कुछ काम नहीं करते हैं, because if you're building
लिखते हैं और गायब हो जाते हैं.
No, so feature लिखते हैं would be a very different thing, because features, if you're building 0 to 1 product, you're not just writing a feature, you're building end to end everything. You're building end to end everything. So I think जब कोई तुम्हें बोलता है कि तुम बस कोई फीचर लिख रहे हो, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग, बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स का काम होता है पूरा स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक सारा काम करना. फीचर तुम इसको बोल सकते हो, फीचर लोग इस चीज को कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि फीचर तो वो लोग लॉन्च करते हैं जो प्रोडक्ट ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है मार्केट में, जैसे कि व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग एज अ एपीएम, ठीक है, व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग तो उसमें हम छोटे छोटे फीचर्स लॉन्च करते थे बिकॉज दैट प्रोडक्ट वाज ऑलरेडी बिल्ट एंड आई वाज अ एपीएम। तो उस टाइम पे मेरे को 0 to 1 प्रोडक्ट बिल्ड करने नहीं मिला, बट व्हेन आई जॉइन जुपिटर मनी आई गॉट टू डू 0 to 1 प्रोडक्ट कंप्लीटली, बट या इवन इन एनपीसी आई डिड इट। बट इन द बिगिनिंग फीचर्स आर लाइक कोई स्मॉल स्मॉल फीचर्स आते हैं तो जो एंट्री लेवल प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स होते हैं वो उनका जॉब होता है फीचर्स
Okay.
लॉन्च करना। और जो प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज होती है जैसे कि मैं जुपिटर मनी में काम कर रही हूँ, तो इफ आई एम लॉन्चिंग अ प्रीपेड कार्ड, देयर आई एम वर्किंग ऑन प्रीपेड कार्ड, डिजिटल वॉलेट एंड गिफ्ट कार्ड्स, कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपेंस मैनेजमेंट कार्ड। सो आई हैव टू बिल्ड ओवरऑल प्रोडक्ट कि प्रोडक्ट का फ्लो कैसे होगा, डिजाइन कैसा होगा, ट्रांजैक्शनल फ्लोज कैसे होंगे। एंड ऑल्सो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने से पहले वी इन्वेस्ट अ मंथ और टू टू डू मार्केट रिसर्च, कॉम्पिटिटिव एनालिसिस, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच इज इन्वॉल्व बिकॉज कोई भी प्रोडक्ट तुम ऐसे लॉन्च नहीं कर सकते हो।
Okay.
Before launching any product, you have to take approvals of everyone, be it infosec team, be it risk team, engineering team. तुम कोई भी product बनाते हो, you need a approval of everything कि if I'm making this product is going to give me a particular profit after like 2-3 years, मतलब मुझे पूरा profit and loss मतलब P&L basically बना के मुझे submit करना होगा, because without that how can somebody will give me के जाओ आप ये चीज बनाओ। you have to prove your work basically
Okay.
कि अगर हम अपने इंजीनियर्स आपके काम में लगा रहे हैं या हम अपने क्यूएज, क्योंकि उनके एफर्ट्स लगते हैं, राइट। सो अगर वो एफर्ट्स लग रहे हैं तो ये प्रोडक्ट बनाने के बाद इसका मतलब इससे हम कितना रेवेन्यू जनरेट करने वाले हैं।
Okay.
सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग इन प्रोडक्ट
So ये
मैनेजमेंट
जो devs बोलते हैं ये एक myth है, right?
It's a very big myth because I think without a product managers, I don't think so a dev can build anything, honestly.
Okay. So okay, let's go do a quick one. एक झूठ एक और दो सच as a product manager आपने क्या बोले ऑफिस में?
So one lie
To your team. हाँ.
Okay, so one lie I would say is basically लोगों को लगता है कि प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स सिर्फ ऑर्डर देते हैं, that is wrong. ठीक है, that's one lie I feel. And two truths which I want to say about PMS कि yes हम दिन भर मीटिंग्स में होते हैं because we do have to, because there's not only one product we are working on several products, so we have to go back to back calls on different stakeholders because product management में बहुत stakeholders involved होते हैं। and दूसरा truth ये है कि प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स के पास काफी चीजें होती है करने के लिए, लाइक इट्स नॉट के
कुछ लिख दिया,
हाँ सिविक
PDF
लिख दिया और
भेज
हो
दिया।
गया, सो इट्स अ मिथ।
Okay. So आप लोग काफी चीज बेसिकली आप लोग बहुत सारी चीजें लाइन अप जैसे अभी
there's a
आपने
lot of
बोले
thing,
मेरे को।
but honestly I won't say कि developers के पास काम नहीं होता है, even
Okay.
they do, I mean it's the main work what they do, so yeah.
तो बेसिकली मैंने अभी एक और क्वेश्चन है कि डेव के माइंड में हमेशा ये एक मिथ होता है कि पीएम सिर्फ मेल फॉरवर्ड करते हैं, इनका इजी जॉब है, कोडिंग वोडिंग कुछ करना होता है नहीं, टेंशन नहीं है। तो इसके ऊपर क्या रिप्लाई है डेव्स के लिए?
सो आई वुड से कोई भी सेंसिबल बंदा कभी भी कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं करता है कोई मेल, ही विल अंडरस्टैंड इट एंड ही विल मेक द टीम अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट इट।
ओके।
एंड प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स का काम मेल फॉरवर्ड करना होता ही नहीं है। सो आई थिंक इट्स अ बिग मिथ। If something is coming to us, our work is to make our team understand कि how this thing will work end to end. We don't forward the mails.
Okay.
So yeah.
So like एक सपोज मेरे को एक बात बताओ कि अगर एक प्रोडक्ट ओनर एक प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर के पास कितना, अगर एक कोई प्रोडक्ट आता है उसको एंड टू एंड बिल्ड करना है तो स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक यू गाइस आर इनटू इट, राइट?
Yes.
मतलब स्टार्ट होने से लेके रिलीज होने तक यू गाइस कंटिन्यू टू वॉच ओवर इट, वेदर इट इज इन प्रोडक्शन, जो भी है, मतलब डेवलप भी हो रहा है तो यू कीप एन आई ऑन दैट प्रोडक्ट, राइट? सो यू ऑल्सो हैव टू, मतलब क्लाइंट लोगों से भी डांट वाट सुननी पड़ती होगी कभी कभी कि प्रोडक्ट आज एक डेडलाइन है तो हुआ नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा डिले हो गया प्रोडक्ट रिलीज करने में, तो कभी कुछ ऐसा फेस किया है कि?
So for me, I have never worked in a company like clients based. So we build our product end to end. It is for the customers, B2C kind of के हम कोई चीजें यूज करें तो सारे यूजर्स, सारे कस्टमर लोग उसे यूज करें, तो इट्स नेवर क्लाइंट फेसिंग जॉब फॉर मी।
ओके, फाइन फाइन।
एंड इफ आई थिंक अगर कोई क्लाइंट फेसिंग जॉब होता है तो वो कभी भी डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स को मेल नहीं करते हैं, दे डू इट टू प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर एंड देन दे कम अप, देन द प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर विल कम अप टेलिंग अस कि पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट हैज आस्क्ड यू टू बिल्ड particular thing.
Okay.
So yeah.
Cool. So तुबा, now let's jump to LinkedIn. So काफी पोस्ट ऐसे हैं आपके जो LinkedIn पे आप डालते हो और easily वायरल हो जाते हैं. So is it like the post which you do on LinkedIn, आप सोचते हो, रिसर्च करते हो, देन डालते हो, और इट इज जस्ट सर्चिंग इट ओवर चैट जीपीटी एंड जस्ट पोस्टिंग इट?
No, honestly, it's a very big myth. So I feel अगर मैं कोई भी पोस्ट लिंक्डइन पे डालती हूँ तो it's more about कि if I'm using, I have a habit कि मैं अगर कोई भी normal like Instagram is my favorite app. Like it's, I think it's almost everyone's and Gen Zs love it. So I feel अगर मैं कोई भी product use करती हूँ, I have a habit of checking, oh what's new they have come up with, ऐसा क्या कुछ अलग हो रहा है. So I keep checking it.
Researching,
Yeah, I keep
researching on
like
it.
looking out for it, like especially on my favorite products.
Okay.
So if I see कि हाँ ये कोई चीज नहीं है, then I post it on LinkedIn. And when it comes to chat gpt, so basically chat gpt, it's not like कि chat gpt हमें कोई अलग से knowledge देता है, ठीक है. We tell, see, I think AI is something I think everybody should make the most out of it, ठीक है.
Right.
So it's not something that it's a wrong thing to use. But yes, if I'm writing any post, I have things in my mind, but I want to deliver it in a better way with a better example, I do use ChatGPT.
Just to reframe it.
Yeah, just to reframe it in a better way with a better example. So ChatGPT really helps. So I think that
so
is
as a product manager, Tuba, how helpful it has been now, like after AI has come into picture, chat gpt has come into pictures, तो आप लोग के लिए कितना बेनिफिट हो गया, कितना इजी हो गया? पहले जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे आपको सोचने पड़ते थे, लिखने पड़ते थे इन डिटेल, अब इज इट लाइक समथिंग लाइक कि आपने प्रॉम्प्ट दे दिया चैट जीपीटी को एंड आपका काम बहुत इजीली आ गया चैट जीपीटी से? सो हाउ हेल्पफुल इट हैज बिकम फॉर यू एज प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर?
Okay, so I think when it comes to AI, there are a lot of apps now, ChatGPT, Cursor, Claude. Even developers can write code through the yeah, exactly. Like even I use a lot of time. I use Claude or Cursor to to, maybe to find out some SQL query or anything. So I think it's not something which is very different. But I think now that AI is it's growing so much, I think we all should learn to give the best prompt to ChatGPT and make the most out of it, so that we can fast track our work.
Okay.
It will help us to fast track our work. But मैं ये एक चीज बोलूंगी कि लोग कितना भी कहें कि AI will do your work, will do it, but you do need a manly power to make it work properly. And you also need, so basically when people say कि research से ये मतलब you can do everything to ChatGPT, yes you can do, but a lot of time you do need to explain ChatGPT like what kind of things are you looking for. I think for my personal experience, yes, PRD do help me to write like little bit of detailed thing about my document, but I think it's me who put like all the
all the
efforts
prompts and everything.
yeah, exactly,
You make him
to
understand कि भाई
make
क्या
him
लिख के देना है
understand,
करके.
exactly, to make him understand, okay, this is something which I have thought about, now make it in a better way.
Right.
So basically I think it helps me to जहाँ मैं अगर दो प्रोडक्ट PRDs लिखने में हम 1-2 दिन लेते हैं, so it is going like we are doing it in 1-2 hours. I think it's a good thing. So
Good thing,
we will
हाँ.
be able to ship more products more
Exactly.
quickly. So I think AI really helps in this.
Okay, so Tuba, coming to LinkedIn, how helpful LinkedIn is to get jobs?
Honestly, for me, I found my first job, which is NPCI. So it's a very good organization. It's a very nice fintech. So that job I got from LinkedIn.
Okay.
So it was not कि मैंने कोई job post पे apply किया था. When I was working in a startup, it was more like an internship. So I got to know about fintech कि okay, fintech में क्रॉस बॉर्डर पेमेंट्स में मैं काम कर रही थी. एंड वहाँ पे जब मैं थी, आई केम टू नो ओके देयर इज अ कंपनी लाइक NPCI. देन आई केम टू नो ओ दिस इज द कंपनी हु हैज बिल्ट UPI. एंड if you know, like UPI is a
Right.
very big thing now and it is going international. So a lot of people told me that you have done your engineering, you won't be able to find a job there. They only hire people from IIM.
Okay.
And they only hire people from like top MBA colleges. It is very difficult to get there. Okay, so honestly, I think when you want to become something, it should be, you should go with your guts. Right. So I messaged almost every person in NPCI that I need a job. Okay. I explained my work, what I did in NPCI, a small project which I have, in my previous, Fable Fintech, which I've done. So I explained them. A lot of people used to see and they used to comment, oh yeah, we'll forward it. Thank you. We'll get back to you. I did it like, I used to message everyone, but I never lost hope. Like maybe there will be one guy who yeah, maybe someone will refer me. So that thing happened, and now then I got a job. Like it was not easy to get a job, of course.
Okay.
We have to clear like there were 5 rounds of interview to get.
Yeah, that is a separate story.
Yeah.
Like वो एक बार, but how cool is it, like have you ever heard कि किसी ने easy apply जो jobs के filters है LinkedIn पे easy apply पे click किया है and उनको call back आ जाता है? So for me it has never happened, और for like many of my friends it has never happened कि किसी ने easy apply पे click किया है और उनको फटाक से call आ गया है या एक दो दिन में call आया। 90-95% लोगों को किसी को कभी easy apply से call नहीं आता। तो what is that easy apply thing on LinkedIn?
गाइस इजी अप्लाई से जॉब्स नहीं मिलते हैं। इट्स माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन बिकॉज मैंने बहुत अप्लाईज किए हैं एंड मुझे आज तक कोई कॉल नहीं आया, सो आई एम नॉट द करेक्ट पर्सन टू टेल यू दिस, बट आई थिंक यू डोंट गेट द
LinkedIn
जॉब
पे
फ्रॉम
अप्लाई जॉब से अप्लाई जॉब पे क्लिक करके उनके पोर्टल्स पे जाके रेज्यूम
हाँ,
डालने से अप्लाई करने से इजीली कॉल्स
yes,
आते हैं
yes.
या कनेक्शंस बढ़ाने से इजीली कॉल्स
So
आते हैं?
connections बढ़ाना मतलब you're just growing your LinkedIn, you're just making people to reach out to you.
But yeah, but if you make a connection, suppose I make a connection with you, if you are working in some XYZ company, so I'll connect you on LinkedIn, I'll message you कि भाई तुबा मेरा ये प्रोफाइल है, अगर आपके इसमें है, सो एक वो बन जाता है कि तुबा ने रेफर किया है
Yeah,
उनकी कंपनी
referral is the best.
रेफरल इज द बेस्ट
Referral is the best
एंड
anywhere, I
लिंक्डइन
would
पे
say.
लोग कनेक्शंस रेफरल के लिए ही मोस्टली मेरे ख्याल से
Yeah.
कनेक्शंस बनाते
I
हैं
think LinkedIn is for that. Let's just agree to it. Like, I think we should help people whoever needs job on LinkedIn.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
सो तुबा तुम्हारा एक पोस्ट देखा था मैंने लिंक्डइन पे विच वाज रिलेटेड टू सम यू वर वेयरिंग सम बैंड एंड उससे कुछ पेमेंट वगैरह कर रहे हो, तो काफी वायरल चले गया वो पोस्ट
Oh,
लिंक्डइन पे।
yeah.
तब तो मैं शायद तुम्हारे से कनेक्टेड भी नहीं था, दैट टाइम आई हैव सीन दैट पोस्ट ऑफ यू।
Okay.
सो व्हाट वाज दैट थिंग?
So basically, when I was working in NPCI, that was my project. What I was working on, I was working on Rupee on the go.
Okay.
It was a very nice project. So it went live when there was IPL match going on. We were the sponsors of Rupee, like of IPL Rupee. So at that time, I just built, like, I was working on that product, and it was supposed to, like, it was live, but like there was not much awareness about this. And then I just have a random thought that this product is something which I have worked on. Let me just maybe give a shout out on LinkedIn. So I just posted a random video, just a boomerang of my band, and I got like pretty good likes, like 500 likes. I thought maybe people are like interested to know what it is, because I got the comments like, what is it, what exactly does it do?
Because many people were
So-
not aware about it कि
Yeah,
ये क्या
yeah.
हो रहा है करके।
Yeah, so what I thought, okay, this is my product, I need more people to use it, let me make a video of it. I
Okay.
went to the metro station, I made the whole video end to end, and it was just basically, I was just thinking, let me just do a a knowledge sharing type, like there is something which exists, because I never thought that it will go viral. But jaise hi maine, after an hour, when I'm opening my LinkedIn, it's just going viral. People are like reposting it, people are asking me, how does it work, where will we get it?
Exactly.
So I think when you are a product manager, it's good to talk about your product. It's good to like have a ownership. And I feel LinkedIn is the platform कि hiring managers भी देखें कि like what kind of work you're doing. You should post your work. You should create that awareness among people. So yeah.
ओके सो उसके अलावा शायद ये बैंड के बाद जब मैंने सर्च किया था तो एक रिंग भी है, लाइक मेनी पीपल यूज दैट रिंग टू डू द पेमेंट्स।
Yeah.
सो व्हाट इज इट लाइक, हैव यू एवर यूज्ड दैट?
Yeah. So I basically ring bands, watches are something which I have worked on.
Okay.
So basically, it's more like there is chip inside the ring. There's chip inside the band. The way you use your credit card, debit card.
Okay.
But I think it is really helpful, and I have used it a lot of time. And I do use it in my daily life. Sorry, but I'm not carrying it today. But
Okay.
a lot of time when I travel in metro, it's very convenient for me, because whenever you are carrying a card or a mobile phone, like you have to keep it in your phone, and then you have to remove it, and then you have to tap and go, right? But you're using a band or a ring, it just save your 5 seconds. You just need to like
But
tap
yeah,
and you're
then
good to go.
how safe it is? Like you are just saying
Okay.
that I just need to tap and मेरा पेमेंट हो जाता है। So ऐसे तो शायद like in a country like India, like यहाँ पे तो जुगाड़ी लोग बहुत है, कोई मशीन लाके आपके बस साइड में रख देगा,
Okay.
पेमेंट हो गया। How do you get
So
alert?
honestly, these chances are very rare. And ये चीज तो कार्ड में भी हो सकती है. You
But
lose your
card में
card.
तो then we have to enter the number, right? Like
No,
code
when
वगैरह।
you use
Tap
and pay,
tap and pay,
there's a
हाँ।
limit of 5,000, right? When
Right.
you do any transaction. So there is the same thing for this ring also. You cannot do a lakh of transaction.
Okay.
This is a prepaid instrument. So basically it has a limit of 10,000 per month.
10,000 per month.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. You can't use it more than that.
And what if वो ring अगर घूम गई या कहीं पे misplace हो गई, is the app
Yeah,
like
so
UI
basically there is
friendly?
a app. It is such a UI friendly, because a lot of people must be knowing about 7 Rings. It featured on Shark Tank also.
Okay.
So it is such an easy app. Like if you see the UI, you'll just go and like on the front page only you'll see the amount. You just need to top up your ring or band with the credit or debit card, and post that you will get enable and disable option. Like if
Okay.
you're losing your ring, you can just immediately disable it,
Okay.
and it is safe. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it
I
is safe.
think yeah.
So, Tuba, next question that will jump on is the main hype question that LinkedIn is slowly turning into Tinder.
Okay, so I think that's a very funny question to be honest. But personally, I feel a lot of time even I do get DMs of people like they are like asking me about.
जॉब से लेके कॉफी तक
Yeah,
का
yeah,
सिचुएशन.
exactly. I have been through that situation, and it is so funny like a lot of time because I'm like, what are people like talking about? It's a professional platform. Let's be professional. So I have encountered this a lot, and there are people who will ask me, hey, hi, can you help me for this particular thing? And then they start getting it, they try to make more conversation and take it personal. So previously I used to help a lot of people on LinkedIn, but then when this thing started happening, I made my account on Topmate. Honestly,
Okay.
it was not about to make money through it, but it was more about helping people who are
People.
very genuine to get a job and get themselves referred. Because on my DMs, in my DMs, I used to get a lot of DMs, right? I used to get like hundreds and 500s of messages which I've got, right? After going my post fire, people, a lot of people
Right,
reached out to me,
exactly.
but this is something. This was the main reason that I'm generally helping people, and then it turned out to be like something else. Can we meet for a coffee? Recently, I figure like a person reached out to me on LinkedIn, and he was like, "Hi, Tuba, can we meet for like 30 minutes just for a quick chat about fintech?" I'm like, if you want to talk to me, just book a call with me on Topmint. He did
Right.
not do that. So basically, people who want to like just just
हाँ, एक
waste
Tinder
your
बना दिया,
time.
like it's
Yeah,
a matrimony app for them. Like
yeah,
यहाँ ढूंढ रहे
exactly.
हैं कि भाई ये मैं ये हूँ और सामने वाला भी अगर ये ऐसा क्वालिफाइड है, चलो बात करके देखते हैं
Yeah.
एक बार.
And I think a lot of people they do want to find a like-minded person for them. But I think there should be a different app, for this. I think personally, because I think this is not a correct app to find
But
a
I think so
partner.
many of the people like they are lucky enough to get people on LinkedIn as their life partners.
Yeah.
So, but the thing is कि this is actually to be honest not the right platform कि जहाँ पे आप जॉब का पूछते पूछते कॉफी पे चले जाओ.
Yeah,
राइट.
yeah.
सो तुबा कोई एक ऐसा अजीब सा मैसेज जो अभी तक आपको लगे कि भाई ये तो सबसे हिलेरियस मैसेज था जो किसी ने आस्क आउट किया है आपको, लाइक जॉब का पूछते पूछते, लाइक इनिशियली तो दे विल आस्क फॉर द जॉब ओनली कि भाई ये मेरे को ये करना है क्या है करके, फिर कोई एक ऐसा मैसेज जो स्टिल आपके दिमाग में है कि हाँ भाई ये तो एक चीज है.
See, I would say there is not a specific message, but there are a lot of people who just randomly DM me and they ask me, "Oh, can we meet? Can we catch up? Can we go for a lunch?" I'm like out of nowhere. I don't even know them, but then they'll just message me, "Oh, we like your post. Things are good. Can we meet?" I'm like, "Wait, what? I don't even know you. Like, I do have
So
my
then what
personal
do you
line."
do? Unfriend them or like?
No, I just don't reply to those messages because
So
I
this
think
is the
there's no
reason,
point.
like many of the times now, like you have spoken about this right now, but सारी लड़कियों के दिमाग में यही चीज चलती होगी कि भाई कोई लड़के ने अगर जेन्युइनली भी कोई अगर अभी लड़का अगर रिप्लाई कर रहा है इफ ही इज इन नीड ऑफ जॉब, बट अगर कोई अभी आपको हाई भी भेजता है तो आपके माइंडसेट में ये है यार भाई इसको रिप्लाई मत दो, ये आगे चल के यही सब कुछ करेगा जस्ट बिकॉज 10 जन ने पीछे वो ही करके रखा है
Yeah,
करके.
so this thing do happen, but I think you just need to be bold enough to like reply them, and I think there's nothing we can just have a
Ignore them
closure.
after a
Yeah,
conversation. हाँ.
you can just ignore them, or maybe if somebody is like harassing you or trying to like talk to you more, I think women are like now very strong enough to answer everyone. So
Exactly.
I think it's not an issue, and then I think all these things are like normal part of life. So yeah.
Okay, Stuba. So now coming to the end of the segment,
Yeah.
so let's have a rapid fire with you.
Okay,
So
that's
one
cool.
word for dev.
One word. I think they're magicians.
Okay. PM without MBA. Is it possible?
Absolutely yes.
Okay. Can a QA turn into a PM?
Absolutely yes. I would say you why. Okay.
Okay.
Because I personally think is QA can be the best product managers because they understand the edge cases of the product. They do the quality testing. They understand where we are lacking and what more can be done. So I think QA can be the can be really good product managers.
Okay. So, product or process, what will you choose?
Of course, product. Nobody goes and see the internal processes. They want to see like what product you have made.
So, anytime and further trying to switch from product to something else in life?
Honestly, no. I am
Not for
very
now.
not for now, but I am very happy in this domain.
Having
So
into
yeah.
into this domain. So, worst tool ever used as a product manager?
So there's nothing like worst tool, I would say, because being a PM, you have to use very different. You're using Jira, you're using Google Docs. But once I used Excel for making a roadmap, and it was more like using tiffin box to carry a wedding cake. So it was very difficult for me to make a roadmap on Excel.
Okay.
So I think we do have a lot of tools. We should use it. We should use specific tools for specific things. So yeah.
Being a product manager, which tool will you suggest
I would
to
suggest
to upcoming product managers who are just into coming into the
tools
field?
basically which I use in my day-to-day life. So Google Docs, Google Sheets, there is Jira, but there's a lot of people who use Jira.
Jira or Google Docs, which will you choose?
I will use Google Sheets to track. Like I personally
Okay.
use Google Sheets because it's more convenient for me to like open immediately and see where are we lacking. But yes, I think Jira helps when you get to understand. Like everybody has the visibility. Even on Google Docs, people have visibility. But yeah, you can like once you completed your work, you can just move it. Like you have completed and the task is completed. So I think even Jira is a good product. Like all the products are good, but like you should use it for a specific thing. So yeah.
Okay. So, a funny question and probably the last question of this podcast. If LinkedIn was a Tinder, किसका profile swipe करते?
So honestly, I would have swiped someone जो I guess वो लगता कि they have not took 3 days to make this product, but it took a time. Like I have seen a lot of people जो LinkedIn पे डालते हैं that we have built this in 3 days. I mean, I would never swipe them because I want to see like what exactly you have done. No product is built in 3 days. I do understand people can make,
Okay.
but there's a lot of things I want to understand end to end. So I would have like for authenticity of knowing the authenticity of the product, if this product is outstanding.
Okay.
So yeah, but honestly, I think that would be something I would swipe right for.
So, personal life में एक product manager एक developer के साथ survive कर सकता है for lifetime?
Absolutely, yes. I think. Hi guys. I think yes, because I'm getting married to a developer. So, yeah. Of course, I think that's the
So-
best pair one can have in their life.
So yeah, because like कुछ भी ना हो तो झगड़ा कर लो.
Yeah, but I think when you're working as a PM and a developer, I think there's a lot of time when a developer can help me and I as a PM can help my partner. Because when a developer is your partner, I think a lot of time you're stuck into some technical thing and you're not able to understand. So your partner can really help you with that thing, because there's a lot of time like PM like developers are in my if a developer is fooling me, I can ask my partner, oh, does this take really this long time, or are they fooling me? So I think it's a con to marry a developer. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you, Tuba.
It's a pro. What I'm saying, sorry. Sorry. I mean, it's a pro to marry a developer. So yeah.
So like thank you, Tuba, for coming to on the podcast, clearing the myth कि भाई प्रोडक्ट ओनर्स प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर्स काम नहीं करते. ये जो मिथ है वो
Yeah.
एक मिथ ही है. इट्स नॉट अ फैक्ट. एंड डेवलपर्स के जो क्वेश्चंस थे उनको आंसर करके आई होप यू सर्वाइव्ड माय पॉडकास्ट
Definitely.
and I'll give you a 10 on 10 for this podcast.
Thank you so
and
much.
if anyone of you have any more questions related to product owners, product managers, do comment. And if there are a lot of comments which are different from these questions, we'll surely have a part 2 of this session. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. It was nice. And honestly, it was my first podcast. So I hope you all like it. And we will see you in the next podcast.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.